What are you doing, Doodle? You pee everywhere? Huh? Took him to the water here. He likes to swim, but he usually swims with Sarge. I don't know if he would go in by himself. And I don't really want my car all wet. But if he decides to go in, that's his business. I have a blanket in the car anyway, so. That's all you're doing? What's over there? What are you so interested in, guy? Sorry, Diesel, over here. Oops, don't fall. I almost just fell. That is already peed like 6 times. Yeah, well, gotta let everyone know this is mine. It's not though, so. What is over there that you love? What's over there? Huh? It should be some like turtle or something that's gonna bite you. Yeah, you just almost fell. You're not paying attention. So pretty. So pretty. Wanna get in the water? Get in there. Come on, get in. You gotta get in the water. Come on. Get in there. What are you doing? I know, there's no like gradual place to get in. It's just this little spot over here. Come on. It's over there. You were very interested in something before. I don't know what it was. And even now. What are you looking at? Just enjoying the view? Me too. It's nice to have one-on-one time with your dogs if you have multiple. I feel bad right now because my other dogs are at home and he's enjoying himself by the lake, but it is what it is. The other ones will have their turn to do whatever they want. Or not whatever they want, but wherever I go, whoever I choose next will be able to do whatever we do that day. I think that's train tracks over there, and I really would like to bring him over there, but I don't know how to get to it. And we're on our way home from the store anyway. I took him for a ride to Maine with me. It's only an hour from the house, so it's good out time for him. Come here, guy. Come on. His poor ear is all crinkled up and looks weird. Huh. He had a hematoma. These cars are loud. Christ, cars. I'm trying to talk, you know. He had a hematoma and it healed, and as it healed, it like crinkled his ear. And he used to have the cutest little ears. But now he's got a weird one. See that nice floppiness? This one's all weird and crinkly. Huh. Yeah, I'm talking about your ears. Over here, bud. Come on. Let's go over here. Bro, you just almost dove right in. If you did that, I would have let the goddamn leash go. It's the water hitting the... He's like tweaking out over the water hitting the rocks. What? Is it unusual? He's so confused. What is it? Get in the water. Get in there. Jump in. If I had a ball, you would for sure. Huh? If it wasn't so close to the road, I would for sure let him off the leash and just let him. I would throw rocks in for him so he could go in, but I don't trust that right now. Not at all. Whoops, you fell. I'm so glad I was recording. However, I almost went in with you. You're gonna have to go all the way in and turn around, guy. Yep, there you go. Don't get me wet in the process, I'll help you. Shake it off, shake it off. Go over this side and see what's down here. Oh, it's a little bit more of a, you can kind of walk in right there, I guess. I ain't going in though. Oh, that's cool. People in their goddamn garbage. Stop being slobs. Pick up your garbage. There's munching on some grass. Well, I'm gonna turn the camera off and hang out with Diesel for a few here. Maybe throw my fishing pole in for a minute. I'll have another video out for you guys tomorrow. This is just an extra bonus clip for you, which could have been just a video that I put out for you, but I want to share the beauty with you guys. Sometimes this is all you need. It's just nature. I know I have a bunch of nature at home. So I live on 200 acres of just woods, and that is great too. I love it. But just being, I don't know, just knowing I live here, it's crazy. It's just beautiful. Just makes you think about life and appreciate it, I guess. Woo, I almost just fell in. That would have sucked. Diesel, say goodbye to everyone. Say bye. We're gonna go have fun now. We're gonna go play. Do something. Yeah. Yeah. Say see you later. Just take this in for just a second if you've gotten this far into the video. I know it's a little longer than I anticipated, but how gorgeous is this? Just come on. Oh, man. Love it. Well, I hope you guys are enjoying your day or night or whatever time it is when you watch this. And we will see you on the next video.